What's up, guys? Today we're playing GTA, and right now my neighbor's going off with freaking fireworks. Yeah, you should hear them in a couple seconds. Let me just find something. Here it is. It's right around that area right there. Crazy guys. Yeah, nothing. Just another day. Upload. No, I haven't really been uploading that much. That's on me. I'm kind of running out of things to upload. I'll maybe upload a vlog once or twice. Maybe that could be a new series. I don't know if you want that below. Whoa, girl, calm down. What are you in? Oh, no. Stay wild. No, come on. Oh, you troll. Run. Why are you hitting me? You want to kill me, don't you? That's what you did.
What do you need exactly? Okay, I'll get you out of trouble. No problem.
This way I can get away from the cops. Well, what this freaking girl is doing, trying to hit me in that. I'm about to steal this police car. Hopefully no policemen are in it. Yes, nobody's in it. Yo, some police around here. Not supposed to be back there. There it is, see? What I'm talking about? It's crazy. I don't want to destroy this police. Yo, I'm about to see what you are doing. Get in the car. I have to say it. Get in the car. I will shoot. Get out. You're going in the back. Don't worry, guys, it's just fireworks. Oh, crap. This is some crazy world. I will be uploading more GTA tomorrow. Alright, so I will see you guys later. Bye.